guys, it's Mel. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. So today I decided I'll try something new on my hair. I've been wanting to try color for a long time, but like I know I've been playing myself because I'm just a black hair girl. That's just how it is. I like black hair on me. But I've been seeing a lot of videos on like temporary color gels and temporary colors, so I decided I'd give it a try. So this has been sitting in my bathroom cabinet for forever. I ordered this back in February and it got delivered like March 4th, and yesterday was like Cinco de Mayo, so that means I've had it for literally 2 months just sitting in my bathroom cabinet, because if I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't sure about this. Like, I was excited to buy it, and when I got it I was just like,
girl, you know you're not about to put this in your hair.
Anyway, this is what I'm talking about. It's a temporary color gel from Gemini Naturals. I could have done red, I could have done like bronze, but no, I had to do blue for some strange reason. Like, what was I thinking? So it's been sitting in my bathroom because your girl was scared. I chickened out. But today is the day, and I do not know why I'm matching. Why does my scrunchie match my dress right now? Oh my gosh, I feel like a second grade. But anyway, so the ingredients in this don't look too bad. It has aloe vera juice, vegetable glycerin, water, panthenol, wheat germ oil, avocado oil, castor oil, xanthan gum, and like fragrance, and the color in here. I'm a little nervous because it is a gel, and you know how gels and relaxed hair is. See, I haven't even removed the seal yet. It comes sealed like this. So you guys are gonna see it for the first time with me. Yeah, I totally just spilled it all over my desk. Anyway, I'm going to take my hair down and see if we can get started. I really don't know how it will hold up on a straight style, so I feel like I'm gonna do some curls. And let me look at the packaging real quick to see how to use rake and smooth on damp hair from ends to roots over the Curl Awaken primer. Diffuse or air dry style as desired. So I don't have the primer, but I'm going to be just putting it on my hair, on damp hair. So I'm gonna put some gloves on because even though this washes right out, my nails tend to sting really easily. So some gloves. I got some all over my water bottle, but I'm just gonna start saturating, not really saturating, but like spritzing my hair with some water. So I won't be adding any more product. I'm just gonna be working with what's already in my hair. And I do have like leave-in conditioner, moisturizer, and an oil, I believe, in my hair already. I don't think I've ever used gloves to do my hair, have I? This just feels weird. All right, you guys, pray for me. And this is a size Flexura I'm going to be using. I don't remember what size this is because I've had them forever. So I'm gonna go in with some of the gel. Oh my gosh. And I'm doing kind of big sections. I don't know if blue is my color. I'm just gonna smooth the section And then I'm gonna go in with the Flexi Rod. Alright, so one section I'm going to go in and grab another section. I'm going to go in with the gel. This is so weird to me because I never ever use gel. I've never used gel on my relaxed hair, so oh Lord. No, someone put enough trust in the product you do. I'm done. So this is what it's looking like. Really didn't intend to get it on my roots right here, but see if I can spread it up a little better. Pray for the best, people. Pray for the best. I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit, or actually I might take my little, what do you call this? Blow dryer. Isn't it cute? It's like a travel one that I have from Ginnery. Okay guys, so I'm back. My hair has been air drying for 3 hours now, and I took the blow dryer to it in cool to make sure that it was actually like dry or set or whatever, and I'm not sure if it is actually dry, but I guess we're gonna find out. And I don't know if this is gonna look good. Like, I am so nervous. Should I start with the back or the front? Okay, so it feels stiff, and relaxed hair and stiff hair can't live at the same yard. So I don't know how this is gonna work out. Oh my god. Yeah. I don't know, guys. It's stiff. This one was still wet. Is this one more? It's all over my hands. It is crunchy. I'm getting taco vibes here, like super crunchy. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying to make this work. I'm trying to separate it. Like, I can't think of how to make this work. I seriously can't. I'm afraid to break a comb through it because oh my gosh, I can't take the crunch. I'm putting some water to it because I seriously can't take the crunch. I'm not getting any breakage though, but like the way my hair is crunchy, it would feel like my hair is gonna break. Okay, so I started a little bit off camera and this is the final result. As you can see, there are no curls left because I had to wet it down with water because I have like a crunch phobia or something. It is so crunchy and it's driving me insane, so I literally have been spraying it with water to get some of the crunch out, and as a result a lot of it has transferred to my fingers. There you go. I like the idea of the product. I just don't know if I'm able to find a way to use it on relaxed hair without getting that crunchy feeling. I don't know. But this is the final look. So relaxed girls, unless we can find another way to use it, just leave the people and things alone. Just continue to admire our natural sisters. I don't know, guys, what do you think? I think it was a fail, and I think I'm about to wash it out of my hair right now because the crunchiness is driving me insane. I love how vibrant the blue is though. It's a pretty blue. Never thought I'd ever see my hair this color, but you know, I tried it. So props to me for trying something new. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up for being your guinea pig, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.